A ZANU-PF provincial member, only identified as Jani, was badly injured after violent clashes erupted during a provincial executive committee (PEC) meeting at the government complex in Mutare. Sabina Mashkobudanyuka Pachinzi, a ZANU-PF official badly injured as party loyalists clash violently during meeting. To subscribe or like around the bell icon. Tipina Mnamo Budanyuka Mchinzi. ZANU-PF insiders revealed at the weekend that the meeting descended into chaos when unidentified individuals stormed the venue and disrupted proceedings, leading to running battles among party loyalists. Things quickly got out of hand after some people forced their way into the meeting, said one party insider. Jani was caught in the violence and sustained serious injuries. Insiders further alleged that one party member, Tawanda Mukodza, was behind the disruptions, claiming he financed the chaos. Mukodza allegedly paid $2,000 to hire thugs to disrupt the PEC meeting. Another insider said the intention was to derail the meeting and intimidate certain members. The violent incident has heightened tensions within the party's provincial structures, with the senior members said to be pushing for investigations and disciplinary actions against those responsible. Doma developments aripo panguva ino ndowamuri kuona in the pictures. Amuri kuona Zima achiposta chiti zvobaka zvibhakera pamusangano weZANU-PF. Muchiona aiwa this member where the ruling party ZANU-PF are injured. Madevelopments aripo panguva ino ari kuona kwanzi the ruling party ZANU-PF panguva ino is now in chaos. Hazvinyatsi kunzwisisika kuti zvii zviri kumbonyatsa kuitika as ma-infights panguva ino ari kuwanda nemaclashes ari kuva common. Pinai comment section medu zvafundo a munoti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Aiwa pinai comment section medu ndo panokuti subscribe or like on the bell icon.